start now. Hey guys, this is the same bird for the crazy bird that I have on YouTube. So he's over here advertising for a mate, and he jumps. So just sit back and watch, enjoy. There he goes. He'll jump out to the end of the traffic light too. Sure, advertising pretty good for whatever out there you can see. It's out here almost every morning. Well, I think that's long enough. So hey, take a look around your neighborhood. You might actually see something like this. And you think, oh, it's a lovely song. I hope it is to a mate.